Ciao Filosine, morning and every night, there was a low.
You know, that's good, you know, Terisa, don't laugh, because that's good for him coming fresh from the island and knowledge that he can sing and he can play. I hate people who say, oh yeah, he doesn't know English or he doesn't know that. No, actually, I'm against people who say, who judge. Because those people who judge and laugh are the ones who don't even know how to sing or play.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
So, don't even laugh. Because people are better than you, who don't even know how to speak English, who don't even, at least then they know how to play and tell them.
Oh, I do.
Yeah, well, don't laugh. I don't like it. No. Because one day someone's going to laugh at you.
Up on the way. Hope you watch tonight. Down your eyes. We're standing on the run.
You can't even see it, it's so skinny. So nice. Send la party!
Hope you watch tonight.
You're the one to
Down
play.
the run. We're standing on the run.
Hey, give me some small change.